In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Trainline app on Android. First, you will want to open the Google Play Store. This is the app marketplace for Android devices. You can find the Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. It typically looks like a colorful triangle. Tapping on it will launch the store. Once you are in, you will see a vibrant interface filled with various apps, games, and media. This step is essential because the Play Store is where you'll find and download the Trainline app. Now, once the Google Play Store is open, tap the top search bar and type Trainline. This search bar is usually labeled and is located at the top of the screen. As you begin to type, suggestions may appear below the search field. These suggestions can help you find the app more quickly. It's important to be accurate in your search to avoid confusion with similarly named apps. You'll see a list of results that will populate as you type. Next, you will want to select the official Trainline train and bus tickets app published by Trainline. This is crucial because there may be other apps with similar names. Look for the app that has the most downloads and positive reviews, ensuring that it's the official version. This app will help you book train and bus tickets easily. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to the app's page where you can learn more about its features, ratings, and user feedback. After that, tap the Install button. This button is usually located on the right side of the app's page. Upon tapping Install, the app will begin downloading to your device. You will see a progress bar indicating how much of the download is complete. This step is important because it initiates the installation of the app on your Android device. Once the download is finished, the app will automatically install, making it ready for you to use. Once the installation is complete, you will see an Open button appear. Tapping this will launch the Trainline app for the first time. You can also find the app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Opening the app is exciting because it lets you explore its features right away. The app will likely guide you through a brief introduction or tutorial, helping you understand how to use it effectively. Now that you have downloaded the Trainline app, you might need to log in if prompted. This is where you enter your credentials if you already have an account. If you are a new user, you can create an account directly within the app. Logging in is essential for personalized features and accessing your booking history. It ensures that your information is secure and readily accessible for future use. In conclusion, you have successfully downloaded the Trainline app on your Android device. You can now book train and bus tickets easily, check schedules, and manage your travel plans. Remember that using the official app helps ensure a smoother experience. Thank you for following along and enjoy your travels with Trainline.